Dear students, welcome to the Business Studies class, part 10. Today we are going to discuss about the coordination. Coordination is the essence of management. Coordination is the essence of management. It is the process of achieving unity of action among interdependent activities and departments of organization to accomplish organizational goal. Coordination is a managerial function performed by managers to synchronize the activities of different departments. It is a deliberate function performed by managers continuously at all level of management. Next, features or characteristics. First features, coordination integrates group efforts. The concept of coordination is not applied to an individual but to a group. When a member of individuals work together, orderliness becomes significant. Coordination unifies their diverse activities and give a common focus to group effort. Second features, coordination ensures unity of action. Coordination aims to achieve unity of action of different individuals. It acts as the binding force between departments and ensures that all efforts are focused towards achieving organizational goal. Third one, coordination is a continuous process. Coordination is not a one-time function but a continuous function. It begins at the planning stage and continues till controlling. The manager must work continuously to achieve coordination. Fourth point, coordination is an all-pervasive functions. Coordination required at all level of management due to the interdependent nature of activities of various departments. It integrates the effort of different departments and different level. For example, if the activities of purchase, production and sales departments are not properly coordinated, an organization cannot accomplish its objectives. Thus, lack of coordination leads to the overlapping and chaos in the organization. Fifth point, coordination is the responsibility of all managers. A manager coordination is the functions of every manager in the organization. The top level management coordinate the overall plans, middle level coordination the department activities, and lower level coordinate the activities of workers. Last features, coordination is a deliberate function. A manager has to coordinate the effort of different people in a conscious and deliberate manner. Even where numbers are ready to cooperate and work, coordination gives a direction to that willing spirit. Thus, coordination is the absence of coordination is fruitless and coordination without cooperation is not possible. Once more, thus the cooperation in the absence of coordination is fruitless, and coordination without cooperation is not possible. For an organization to effectively and efficiently achieve its objectives, coordination is required. Like thread in a garland, coordination is the part of all management functions. This part has completed. Thank you.